Halftime quick recipe show, NFC Championship edition. The Niners and the Eagles. Niners fans know what it's like to lose your quarterback in the NFC Championship in the first quarter. I'm TD, and this is TD's Bourbon Barbecue. A skillet peach cobbler, about 4 tablespoons of butter, and a half a cup of brown sugar. Nice sauce for our bourbon peach cobbler. The barrel-aged bourbon. Put this in our cobbler here. Making a nice caramel sauce here. Vanilla crown. There you go. Frozen peaches. This is 1 can, so 16 and 16. I get about 3 tablespoons of flour and stir it up. Perfect. I got some Biscuit and just put it in like little dollops. All right. Bourbon peach cobbler. Use Bourbon Barbecue barrel-aged bourbon. Sprinkle it right on the top. That nice little sugary top there. I'm gonna close the lid, stay hot until those peaches and that cobbler's all nice and golden brown. Where's your Pacifico? Eagles, 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 Eagles. I forgot. Let's give you guys a money shot real quick. TD's Bourbon Barbecue barrel-aged bourbon peach cobbler. I want it to be crusty on the bottom. I will be doing a Super Bowl show. Guarantee that there is a better chance of a wardrobe malfunction. Cowboys who? Cowboys who? Bear down. I'm the one live doing a Bears show. Bear down, everybody. Enjoy the NFC Championship game. Man, it's freezing. Party foul. Bourbon peach cobbler. Look at that. Yeah. Hell yeah. And look at the bottom. Booyah. It's got a nice caramel color. Look how soft it is. I forgot 2 things. I forgot a fork. The other thing I forgot was ice cream. On the fire. Damn. I really wish I had some ice cream and a fork. Barrel-aged bourbon, peach cobbler. Make your weekend badass. I'm TD with TD's Bourbon Barbecue. Put some TDs in your face and make love to your meat.